this question they are asking, write the formula to find the magnitude of gravitational force between the earth and an object on the surface of earth. So let's say firstly we'll go with the law that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force which is directly proportional. Okay, so let's say here we have two objects because they have specified between earth and any object. Okay, so they have specified you should go with earth and any objects between, yeah. So I took the earth surface and then we have any object. So object I took like ball. Now I am considering the mass of the earth as capital M. Okay, whereas the mass of this ball is small m. I hope it is clear to you all. As you can see, these are the two objects and the law states that there is some force of attraction between two objects. So but obviously between these two objects there is some force of attraction. Now the question arises, how much force of attraction, right? How much force of attraction is there? So yeah, it is saying that force which is directly proportional to the product of the mass. So we can say force is directly proportional. You see this symbol is proportionality symbol. Here you see this symbol is proportionality symbol we give in this way. That means force depends upon this factor. This is what it includes. This is what it concludes. So force is directly proportional to what? Product of their masses. You see this? What we have? Product of masses. Then inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Force also depends upon the distance and it is inversely proportional, okay, to the square of their distance. So here it is inversely proportional. ऊपर क्या था? Directly proportional. Here the case is what? Inversely proportional plus it is a square of the distance. Inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Understood? Now this is physics. Whenever you are dealing with these types of formula like derivation, so firstly you will sum up. So we can say कि force is something that depends upon mass, force is something that depends upon the distance. Over there it is a product of masses, below there is a square of their distance. This is what we know, okay. बट एग्जैक्टली इक्वल करने के लिए हमेशा हमें कांस्टेंट रिक्वायर्ड होगा एंड इन दिस केस कांस्टेंट इज ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट. So you see this capital G I have taken over here. This G is basically gravitational constant and it is present and it is fixed and present between every two forces. Every two objects, whatever the force is there, it is present between them. So here G is known as universal gravitational constant and we have a value for this constant as 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So I hope you all are clear with this formula. This is one of the important formula. It basically gives the force between two objects, that is force of attraction between two objects. Add on to this, we need to memorize G as a gravitational, universal gravitational constant and the value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Beside this you have determined the force. What you have determined in this process? हमने force determine किया है. So but obviously SI unit will be Newton. So SI unit of force, it could be any force, gravitational force, any force, the SI unit will remain same. Understood? So here SI unit is given as what? Newton. So I hope solution was clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt, you can reach to us. Thank you.